first question, let me read the first question and explain. A family tried several times to give me a cross necklace. I refused it. Okay, that's proper way. Later, after the family had passed, I found she had stuffed it in a zip bag of a purse I rarely use. So basically that, okay, so person got this cross. Another family member said that it was supposed to go to her. I don't want the idol, but the problem I face is I don't want to give idol to another family members. Okay, so before we continue, so let's try to understand what the problem is. So the question is actually if this cross is actually idol or not. So and the definition of idol that people serve these things as an idol. So they like the three general ways how the people serve idols. One was bowing, bringing sacrifice, and this and that. So I don't. So if there is a plain cross, right, without this acrobat, this guy on that, so that's a different story. So it's usually people don't worship that specific thing. They worship the guy that is on there. So if the guy is not there, so technically it's not, and they did not worship it, and unless they worship it, they put it and bow to it. Like I don't think so. I don't think so. People use it like that. So technically, if you need to use it for somebody, you don't have money or something, so you can use it. Or if since it's not like avodah zarah mamish, like you can give to a family member. So it's not they put a stumbling block in front of them, because again they're not going to worship it. It's not the piece. It's like some attribute, but not the thing that they worship, unless, as I say, if it's actually the person on that thing. So some of them have person, some of them don't have person. That's the difference. Okay, so continue. Should I give an idol as is, or I remove the diamond and melt it down to make it into a ring? Okay, so second part. So the question: can you give it as it is? I think so, right? If you remove diamond and give it as a ring, maybe it's. I think it's even better example, better solution. So you don't give this avodah zarah, and again, so you can derive benefit. But if something was used for avodah zarah, for example, these big crosses that they have on this priest like a big necklace, and they actually bow to it and they kiss it, this and that. So for sure, this cross. So for example, you're Jewish person who has the pawn shop, you're not allowed to buy, right? So because you say okay, I'm going to buy as maybe as with intention to melt it. Guess what? Our Torah says absolutely not. You're not allowed to buy, and the reason, the explanation is, Rabbi makes sense, because maybe you're not going to melt it. Maybe because the product itself costs much more than the gold. Gold or silver does not cost much money, but the product, of course, costs 3 times or 10 times or how many times more. So be afraid that this Jew would not have a strength to melt it and actually sell it as a product, and then put in the stumbling block in front of the blind. That's the end.